I laugh. Alright, ready.
Ready? Come closer, man. Check. Alright, first thing I want you do, just give me a name.
BB.
So you big up your YouTube channel and thing?
The B&A Best the official.
Alright, so first question, alright? What is at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and fun when it vibrates?
Nothing. No.
What you say, mommy?
I don't have no answer for that car. Nothing ever go in the mouth and come out.
Alright, listen again, you know. What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and fun when it vibrates?
Nothing. Car, nothing go in the mouth and vibrates. So, what next?
Alright, so you want the answer then? The answer is toothbrush.
16-inch.
Mommy, I laugh when I say a toothbrush.
A toothbrush?
You know, toothbrush you use battery and it vibrates.
Oh, the foreign toothbrush them? Okay. Oh. Alright.
Ready for the next one now? 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12?
Is 12.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, you say sure?
Yeah, it I go sure come here check it up right now and at 12.
So 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12?
It's 12.
It's 12.
Yeah. It correct? It correct?
Wrong.
R12.
Wrong. So you want the answer? Yeah.
No, not yet.
Alright. This again, 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12?
R12.
What? Sure this time?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, why are you sure?
Because it could be, it is not is R. So, yeah.
Still wrong.
What then?
Because 7 plus 6 are 13.
What's that?
6 plus 6 are 12. So 7 plus 6
Yeah.
are 13.
We can do it over, I'm shy.
Oh, no.
I'll move to the next one.
Alright,
I'll move to the next one.
Yeah.
The next one again. If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
Fish. No. If you eat me, I go eat you. Directly eat, like.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey man, if you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
Crocodile.
Listen again, you know. If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
I give up.
Say give up? The answer is fish hook. Fish hook.
You can give me one. The meaning, why you say that? What?
Fish hook. Alright, say for instance, you would say if you eat me, my sender will eat you. So say for instance, me are the sender, right? I'm send the fish hook.
Catch a fish.
Catch a fish. So when I catch a fish now, I gotta eat the fish. Yeah. First thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
Jamaica Parish.
Alright, so the first question, right? What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and fun when it vibrates?
A dildo.
Thing, operation thing, them come in the operation thing. And when they see make a ball out, you know so we have to win. And when they see make a ball, you know so we have to win. Cash part play.
What you said?
A dildo.
Dildo.
Yeah.
How you get the answer now?
Oh, me get the answer there. Yeah. Remember me in the street girl and I know about the thing, you know? Yeah. A dildo.
You used to like it?
Dildo.
Yeah.
Alright, so you move to the next one now, right? 7 plus 6 is 12 or 7 plus 6 are 12?
7 plus 6 is 12 7 plus 6
are 12, yeah.
None of them there.
None of them there?
No,
so
that's
where you say the answer?
Eh?
Where you say the answer?
What I say me the answer?
What the answer?
The answer? 7 plus 6. My answer 13, you know.
13. Alright, cooler man, cooler man. Cooler man. Alright, last one now, right? If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
Eater.
What you mean? What you mean?
If you eat me, my sender will eat you.
Yeah.
Perfect answer, eater.
Jesus Christ now. So, is that eater?
Yeah.
Come again, you know. If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
Alright. Me da put here so you da call it you know. I want to get a name there, but me I try remember it. But I try put it as my pimp.
Pimp?
Yeah.
So, what the pimp do? What that?
Remember, you know, your sender eat me, eat your sender, your sender eat me. You not eat me, you know. So we sure you line up that. So me da call that the pimp.
Man, nigga. Pimp?
Yeah.
Oh, cool man, cool man. May I get the answer still, you know?
Yeah.
The answer fish hook.
Okay, fish hook.
You send the fish hook, the fish eat the hook, and the sender way send the fish hook, eat the fish.
Alright.
I just them three they still in the so respect, you know. Alright, first thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
Bri.
Say again?
Britannia.
Oh, you have to talk the color there, you know.
Britannia.
Alright, so the first question, right? What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and fun and it vibrates?
Six inches long and come in the mouth when it vibrates.
What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and fun and it vibrates?
I want thing come to my mind and I can't say that.
What that?
Body.
Yeah, boy.
You're wrong still, you know. You want to get a try again? What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and fun when it vibrates?
And fun when it vibrates. Fun when it vibrates. I don't know that.
You know that? Think about it, man. What, let me say it again, you know. What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and fun when it vibrates?
No, no.
You don't know?
Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Black.
Alright, your next one, alright? 7 plus 6 is 12, or 7 plus 6 are 12?
7 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 6 is 12.
If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
Repeat what you say?
If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
You can give me a hint?
It's hard to find a hint. But listen good again, you know. If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
If you eat me, your sender will eat me. I know.
Think about it. What do you say?
If you eat me, my sender will eat me. I don't know. God know. I don't remember know that.
You don't know. You just go on dirt and everything you don't know.
Where you go?
Yeah. Once you see in a life when people there, them still at dirt and thing. Cause everything what we know, it still go on, you see it?
Yeah.
Cause one thing I know about people, we there keep on a work on it. Cause we still do the dirt, you know. Yeah. Like when we do the dance, we have to catch it still now.
Where you go?
My mouth, it can't split.
How the dance go? How the dance go?
How the dance go? It kindly come up to when we work on it, you see it?
Oh.
Yeah. I saw you have to do it.
You can give you a little piece side. Where you go?
Yeah, man, I can give up this side,
Yeah,
man.
let me see how you go. Where you go?
My mouth, it can't split. My name is Anatole. Hey, I don't know you do thing. Hey, check up your booty.
Yeah. Alright, Ziddy, you want ready for your question now, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you're the first one now. You're the first one now, right? What at least 6 inches long, going in your mouth, and it feel nice when it vibrate.
When it vibrate, toothbrush.
Oh, cool. Yeah, give man the answer. It's cool, man. It's cool, man. Alright, Ziddy. You're next one now. Ziddy, right? 7 plus 6 is 12, or 7 plus 6 are 12?
12.
Eh?
12.
Sure.
Yeah, man, sure, man.
Listen again, you know. 7 plus 6 is 12, or 7 plus 6 are 12?
Or 6 plus 12.
Eh?
6 or 12 plus 6. We don't 12.
They said 12.
Yeah, 12.
Alright, we're not pressure you. I'm give you the last one now, right?
Yeah, my last one.
If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
I am a police.
Come again. Ready again? If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
A animal.
They say it must be an animal.
It must be an animal.
Why?
Because it depends on a time when you see animals around. Yeah, like once an animal they around, we know about things like, we keep on know when animals find our community station, because we make our thing where we know, because it develop. Cool, so that's how we work on it.
Cool, man.
Because we know that everything have to go on still, because animals are the greatest point of us, because we work on animals and things.
Mute over there, sir. Around there, sir. I make a bad talk to them. I may say, well, it's an operation thing, them come with the operation thing. Operation thing, them come with the operation thing. And when they see make a ball, you to know so we have to win. And when they see make a ball, you know so we have to win. Cash ball play, make a ball play before it down. And when me touch the people ball out, yo, I make a ball a cup. I see him there now. Meow. I may say, make a ball say, meow. Meow. I'm here the cat man, 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 I'm here the cat man. Meow, 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 meow. I'm here the cat man, I'm here the cat man, I'm here the cat man, I'm here the cat man. Hey, make a ball go win, I pay per se me. Make a bag of win, and pay per se me. What money will me get? I'm me top per se. I'm me top the place, I'm me top per se. Why y'all? Mega ball. Yeah.
We have 2 questions for you, you know. Yeah. Come in the general, I 2 hours now shot it in the man. You say, oh, yeah, give me. Alright, so over here, so because we don't want him here, what go on now. Yeah, man, we don't want him here, what go on. Yeah. Check, you hear me? Alright, my general, so you're the first question now, right?
Yeah.
What's at least 6 inches long? Goes in your mouth and fun when it vibrates.
Yo, Chapo. Nothing can go in my mouth at all, you know. Me killer, because I'm not going to freakiness, you know. And you hear that, I make a ball talk to you. See? I'm a cousin, you see? You understand?
So that one they can't work?
That one they can't go work, you know, because I don't put nothing in my mouth, different from food. You understand? And any banana I eat, I broke that. I eat that. See? Yeah, man, you have to deal with the girl in Panem Park, the man, you see? Don't know the girl specialist.
Alright, next question, G, right? Yeah. 7 plus 6 is 12, or 7 plus 6 are 12?
Hold on there. Go again, what you say?
7 plus 6 is 12, or 7 plus 6 are 12?
What you mean? You can't say 7 plus. See? I take away you want, take away your yeah.
Plus, man.
Plus?
Yeah. So I say 7 plus 6 is 12, or 7 plus 6 are 12?
That would be 13, my killer.
Yeah.
13.
Cool, man.
See? 13, my killer.
One more left, you know. If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
Chapo, I don't even know that one. I kill that big man thing, you know. Because I not eat nobody, you know. You hear that? I not eat nobody. See? You have to look for a cannibal. Oh! I have to shout Anarchy, them girl eat people. Because she don't know she eat me. Anarchy, she clean me up more while my regular. On the basic style, you hear that? So you don't know she my cannibal, you hear that? And she eat me.
Anarchy.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I see Sasha them dash belly, you have to know about them too. Because them girl dash and eat them pitney, you understand? Them say them curry brown straw. You see? Yeah.
Them thing they are going?
Yeah, man, them thing they are going nowadays, man. Girl, you see when time, them sex a bagger man and them sex a bagger man and them no older father.
Yeah.
So them don't see how go, I dash that one here, you know. I'm going to eat that one here.
That you are telling the truth.
See, big up girl like Shorty. Now working at that wholesaler down there, so she more dash her most belly. You see? Yeah. She name White Ball, I mean name Mega Ball. You don't know the White Ball is not a good ball, and Mega Ball the girl them talk about. Yeah. See?
Yeah, what man, respect, you know.
Yeah.